Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
So hypertension is a high blood pressure. So what is जो ब्लड प्रेशर क्या है, जो ब्लड वेसल्स हैं हमारी पूरी बॉडी में सर्कुलेशन होता है ब्लड वेसल्स के थ्रू कि हार्ट प्योरिफाइड ब्लड को पूरे बॉडी में ब्लड वेसल्स के थ्रू भेज देती है जगह जगह पे, बिकॉज दैट इज द कैरियर ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स. अब जो ब्लड प्रेशर है, जो वेसल्स के अंदर ब्लड फ्लो हो रहा है वो किस प्रेशर से फ्लो हो रहा है, दैट इज ब्लड प्रेशर. If it's beyond a certain number, if it's increasing, then it's termed as high blood pressure. So as the guidelines say, if the blood pressure, if the readings repeatedly are more than 140, it's expressed in two numbers. एक ऊपर का number होता है which is systolic, and the denominator, that is the diastolic blood pressure. So if it's more than 140 by 90 millimeters of mercury, because it's pressure, that is termed as hypertension. So that is hypertension. And what causes it? In majority of the cases, if it's being diagnosed after in the middle age, the causes are actually not known. That is termed as primary hypertension. But in certain cases, 5 to 10% population, we can find out some causes of hypertension. That could be related to some heart diseases, or it could be some endocrinal diseases, or some kidney related disorders, or some hormonal changes which are happening in the body, which is leading to hypertension. That is termed as the secondary hypertension. So this is what is happening.
So in a way you're saying कि जो blood pressure के जो figures हैं, they are actually helping you towards indicating कि you can be having problems in these areas, whether it is your kidney or it is your heart or it is your liver function, whatever. So that is also a symptom in a way देखा जाएगा.
Yeah, this number is giving us it's an indicator of our health. Like how do we get to know कि बढ़ कैसे रहा है? So that's why the parameters have been set. It gives an indication. These numbers are giving us an indication that what should be there and what should not be there. और अगर उस लिमिट को क्रॉस कर रहा है, how bad it is for you, किस तरह से आप पे इम्पैक्ट डाल सकते हैं, what bad impact could it have on your health.
So when it comes to women health, again जो different stages होते हैं, whether it is starting of your periods or your menopause, because बहुत सुनने को आता है कि रिस्क बढ़ जाता है ब्लड प्रेशर का, especially after menopause. और pregnancy, does it, like, what is the role and how do you manage that?
There's a role of the hormones, the sex hormones, the estrogen and progesterone, which are acting on this. Like once a female goes into the menopause, जो estrogen hormone था उसका level कम आया, and this estrogen, it was helping in the relaxation, the blood vessels की flexibility and relaxed रखने में help कर रहा था. Estrogen level कम हुआ, so now our blood pressures जो है वो stiff होने लग रही है, हमारी blood vessels have become stiffer, they are not उतना अच्छा relaxation नहीं हो रहा, so blood pressure can increase in postmenopause. Then it is associated with oxidative stress. Postmenopause is a state where the oxidative stress is like, these are some of the chemicals which keeps on, you can say them toxins which are accumulating in the body. And menopause में वो oxidative stress और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. Then this hormones also affects the inner lining of the blood vessels. जो blood vessels की inner lining है, that is called as endothelium. So it affects on the endothelium also. Then some of the menopausal females, they have a weight gain. Weight gain होता है कुछ लोगों का after menopause, fat का distribution भी change हो जाता है, या फिर weight gain, overall weight gain भी हो सकता है. So weight gain की वजह से menopause में hypertension develop हो सकता है. And if we talk about pregnancy, in pregnancy also, because of the hormonal changes, females can have hypertension. The pregnancy-induced hypertension, that is again a known entity. Eclampsia, pre-eclampsia, they are again many things which are medically related to where a pregnant female, because of hypertension, can have various bad impact or bad outcome of the pregnancy if the blood pressure is not kept beyond in the control limit.